What's up, everybody? Brian here with attention to details on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Love the hot weather. It's great time to get your cars protected and shined up. Today, one of our features is a 2023 Tesla Model Y. We did a full frontal and rockers with Expel Fusion Ultimate Plus with the built-in ceramic coating, self-healing, phenomenal product. So we did a full frontal on this, badge off, all wrapped edges, and then we done a ceramic coating, ammo pro coat on the remainder of the vehicle, and we done window tinting as well. So this car came out beautiful. We're just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. I lost count of how many Teslas. We got several more coming. Yeah, so we wanted to show you this. It came out absolutely stunning, and it protects your vehicle. Can't even tell that it's on there. We try to get this as seamlessly as possible. No seams everywhere. So it come out absolutely great. I know I keep saying that, but you know, sometimes I look at these and you can't hardly tell, and that's what we strive for every time, and we just keep lifting the bar. We're going to go inside and show you some other vehicles we got going on. So walk with us this way. All right, now we're inside here with some air conditioning, climate controlled room. 2023 Volkswagen GTI. We're doing a full frontal on this with the Expel Fusion. Fenders are done. Some other pieces are getting ready to do the hood. It's what's on our pill boards here. This is how these work if a lot of people ask questions. So this is up, it's already cut out and ready to roll. Then they'll take it and transfer it over. You like to have all this close to your workstation so you're not walking around, because I don't care how clean a clean room is, you're always fighting issues like that. So humidity, moisture levels, all of that, we try to keep in check. We invested a lot of money in a proper air conditioning system and ventilation and stuff like that. So it all plays an important role. So that's what we're doing to this vehicle. Then over here we have a 2021 Lexus LS 500, and we've done a full frontal and I believe rockers on this as well with the Ultimate Plus Fusion. And then we did a polish on the rest of it with a polymer sealant. And this is just a, I think it's a 2006 Sebring that we're a good client of ours that we're doing an inside complete detail, and it's already been washed and deconned, and it's getting ready to be set up for a polish with a polymer sealant. And then we've got the wonderful Ford GT, almost done, very good. We're putting pieces on where they're really, nothing's cut out for them, and we're going overboard just to protect every inch of this car. So we're laying in, this is the Ultimate Plus Fusion, and we're putting the satin down for we don't make this is the normal color, this is the film on it. So it's gonna protect this opening up, because believe it or not, this stuff scratches very easy. And we're doing some custom pieces on the inside as well. This vehicle is fully wrapped except one door, and these pieces here. We're doing all of the trim around, up and above. They have no kits for these mirrors, just these little faces. Jay has done, I don't know how many takes on these so far, which is great because these are seamed together. And once it's fully cured, you won't even see it, but he's managed to get a full section coverage on this with two pieces and seam. The other one is done already, this one he's doing. And now he's going in, again, this is fully wrapped, we just gotta put the badges on. So on the kit, this all lays in the top. There's a piece that goes here and then a piece goes here because you can't get over these angles. So he's in the process over here of overlaying more film. And this is multiple takes. And people are like, oh, you know, I'm sure the keyboard warriors out there, we can do that. It's not as easy as you think, because we got to make sure it's butt up where we're at trying to cut in seams and stuff like that. You got to take your time. But looks like this one here, Jay has done really well on this side. Now he's got to bleed it over on this side. So very time consuming, but we want ultimate protection on this vehicle. So yeah, everything else that, again, no seams. Couple takes on this roof, plain, and then I think they ended up pretty much bulking this just to get everything rolled underneath the seams where you see absolutely no lines anywhere on the doors. I mean, this is just come out stunning. And then we're also doing some engine bay compartment lay-in film. We've got all the inserts ready. Those should hopefully by the end of the day be put back into place. And then once this thing gets up to where it's supposed to be, rims off, ceramic coating, and then get this delivered to our customer and put in his collection in the garage. So that's what's going on right now. We have some really cool cars coming in. We've got a brand new 2023 Porsche 911S convertible. on its way from Texas from Porsche for a client that lives here. And we're doing a full frontal and rockers and a few other things. That should be here Saturday, possibly Monday. I'm just waiting to see the delivery. Then we have another 2023 Porsche 992 coming in that's beautiful, spec'd out, no expense spared for a full wrap. Can't wait to show you that one. We got multiple other vehicles coming as well. If you need anything, give us a shout at 219-628-0288. As always, love and happiness. Peace.